Yeah? I'm going to sit here. And Grandma can sit there.
Which one's the wet one?
That one which I've got your photos of that one. Okay.
Are you sitting in the middle or what?
No, she sits there. That's how we sit. Here we go. See ya. Here we go. Whee! Ah. Hehehe.
Pardon? We'll close this again. Ja, det.
I'm trying to.
Well, you can do. They're pirates, aren't they?
There's a pirate show. Nice lazy if you've been it this hard, eh? Can have a game of crazy golf if you want.
Yeah,
Yeah?
I do.
Yeah?
No, try and get a hole in one. I really want to play mini golf.
You want to play mini golf? Okay, we can do, it's all included.
After this.
Yeah?
Yeah, we play mini golf after this.
How the days turned out better than what I thought. Could ask for
See that because we're taking a picture. That's
Now you can see it now.
I'm not doing mini golf.
Oh, the ultimate treasures here, I of a mermaid. Oh, look at this man up here on the rope. This is the end.
We're going to play mini golf.
We're going to play mini golf now as well, are we, innit?